Hi, I want to thank you for visiting our website and your interest in becoming a lawn mowing technician. I'm going to tell you why we have a great place for you to work and why our team is so awesome. First things first, we care about you. It's that simple. We want you to be successful, build your career, and make more money being part of our team at Tuxedo. We work hard to make sure that you are set up for success every single day. Your routes are pre-planned and laid out on a mobile device with GPS to help you find your way to each job. It's all planned out for you. You don't have to do any of that stuff. You'll have a new walker, which if you don't know, those are the best walkers or the best mowers ever. You'll have new equipment, and guess what else? You don't have to tow a trailer. Everything is all put on one small truck so that driving around town is easy. The best part is your equipment is just for your crew. You don't have to fight other crews for equipment in the morning for the best equipment or whatever. Everybody has good equipment at Tuxedo. And all of your equipment is checked and serviced twice a week for you so that you know your equipment is safe and ready to get the work done. We do all of this so that you can focus on doing what you do best, cutting lawns so that they are beautiful and manicured each and every week. This sets you up for success in the ability to make more money. All of our techs are eligible for bonuses and raises each and every month. As a lawn mowing tech, you will get 40 hours in 4 days so that you can have a 3-day weekend as long as the work's completed on time. You get paid every Friday, on time, every time. We have direct deposit, health insurance, dental, vision, and other benefits. We also pay better than other companies. And to top it all off, you get paid in the winter even when you are not working as much. Now, if you are hardworking, you're a problem solver, you have the ability to be adaptable to new situations, and you are an honest person, we would love for you to come and join our team. We have a lot of fun here at Tuxedo, but we do work hard too. If this job sounds like something that you would be good at and you would enjoy, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Our phone number is 801-540-4713. Or send your resume to service@tuxedoyardcare.com. We've been around for 2 decades, and we are looking for amazing people to work with for the next 2 decades and beyond. We look forward to meeting with you, and have a great day. See ya. Bye.